Have you ever thought about drones threats? I suppose not. Have you ever thought about it, about the subject for a while? I suppose not. So I will give you an example, so stay tuned. Hi everyone, today I'd like to tell you briefly about threats of new technologies. I mean drones. As an example, I will give you an information with a video. The accident happened on August 4th, 2018. This time there was an attack on President of Venezuela, Nicolas Maduro. The video was shared by the New York Times and shows exactly what really happened that day. A drone which carried and detonated C4 plastic explosives was identified as model DJI M600. And everyone can buy it legally for $5,000. The drone can carry about 6 kilograms of anything you want for a distance of 5 kilometers.
Captured by a different camera. In this clip, you can hear an explosion and see Maduro's bodyguards running to protect him. Around this area, cell phone video captured a drone exploding in mid-air, above the military parade and within Maduro's sightlines. It detonates 14 seconds after the first explosion. The sound can be heard at the ceremony grounds. And it sends the crowd fleeing.
Put your comment. What do you think about the legalization of drones? Should drones be prohibited? Or maybe drones shouldn't be available for everyone? Leave your comment. Thanks for watching.